What if you could grow your customer base rapidly while offering a money-back guarantee through European funds? Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. It's a real game changer for business consultants. Freelancers, entrepreneurs, and small business owners are always looking for ways to expand without shouldering all the financial risk. So stay tuned for this video. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our videos. European funds, a gateway to customer growth. To understand how this opportunity works, let's break it down. European funds, as part of the European Union's initiatives to support small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, offer funding schemes that reimburse a significant portion of consulting costs for eligible businesses. These funds can cover up to 80% of the cost of consultations, allowing clients to receive expert advice without bearing the full expense. For your consulting practice, this means you can attract more customers by offering them a financial safety net. What does this mean for you as a consultant? It means that by aligning your services with these funding opportunities, you're not only providing value, but also offering something few other consultants can. A money-back guarantee directly tied to European funds will draw clients who are hesitant about spending money on consultancy services. It's a win-win. Your clients get the expert advice they need at reduced cost, and you increase your clientele by making your services more attractive. The power of a money-back guarantee. Think about how powerful a money-back guarantee can be in any industry. Now, imagine applying this principle to business consulting, where the stakes are higher and clients are often wary of spending money on services that may not deliver immediate results. When clients know they can recover a substantial portion of the costs, they are more likely to take the leap and invest in professional guidance. The European Fund Money-Back Guarantee works by covering up to 80% of the cost of consultations, depending on the client's location. This creates a tremendous incentive for business owners, especially those with smaller budgets, to seek out expert advice. For instance, a business consultation that might typically cost €3,500 could see the client reimbursed for up to €2,800, making the service far more affordable and appealing. For you, as a consultant, this represents a fantastic opportunity to secure more business. By positioning yourself as a key player who can help clients access these funds, you instantly increase your credibility and marketability. Clients want results, and when you combine the power of a money-back guarantee with your expert services, they're more likely to trust you with their business challenges. The process: simple and straightforward. Getting your clients reimbursed is not as complex as it might seem. The process is designed to be simple and streamlined, ensuring that both you and your clients can focus on what matters most: business growth. Here's how it works. Client pays up front. Your client starts by paying for the consultation up front, just like they would for any other professional service. This ensures a straightforward transaction and sets the stage for the consulting process. The upfront payment also establishes a clear value exchange, giving your client confidence in the service they're about to receive. Consultation takes place. You conduct the consultation, offering your client tailored insights, strategic recommendations, and practical solutions designed to address their unique business challenges. This is your chance to showcase your expertise and deliver real value that aligns with their goals. Submission of documents. After the consultation, the next step involves submitting the required documentation. This includes a transfer receipt for the full amount your client paid and a detailed consulting report summarizing the session's outcomes and recommendations. This report demonstrates the tangible benefits of the consultation and is a key component in securing the reimbursement. Accuracy and completeness in this step ensure a smooth claims process for your client. Client gets reimbursed. Once the documents are processed and approved, your client receives their reimbursement directly from the European funds. This reimbursement can cover up to 80% of the consulting cost, significantly reducing their financial burden. It's a straightforward process, and the funds are typically reimbursed within a short time frame. Clients get the financial relief they need, and you get paid for your work, all while fostering long-term relationships and building a loyal customer base. How this increases customer growth. The money-back guarantee from European funds is an undeniable tool for customer acquisition. Why? Because it reduces the perceived financial risk involved in hiring a business consultant. When potential clients know that they can receive significant financial support for your services, they are much more likely to take the plunge and work with you. Here's why this opportunity increases your customer growth. Number 1. Attracts cost-conscious clients. Many small businesses and startups operate on tight budgets. The European Fund reimbursement offers them a chance to access professional services without putting too much strain on their finances. This opens the door to a new client base that might have otherwise hesitated due to financial concerns. Number 2. Encourages word-of-mouth referrals. Clients who benefit from this funding scheme are likely to share their experience with other business owners in their network. As your consulting services become more accessible, your reputation spreads, attracting more potential clients. Number 3. Increased repeat business. When clients realize that they can access funding for multiple consultations, up to 5 times until 2026, they're more likely to return for ongoing support. This ensures long-term growth for your consulting practice, as repeat clients provide a steady stream of income. Number 4. Enhances your reputation. Offering clients the ability to access European funds will boost your standing as a trusted expert. Clients will see you as someone who not only understands their needs, but is also capable of helping them access financial assistance to grow their business. Targeted solutions for specific business needs. One of the key advantages of this European fund subsidy is the ability to tailor consultations to specific business challenges. These funds are designed to help businesses across various sectors tackle their most pressing issues, including financial management, offering consultations that help businesses optimize their financial structure, improve cash flow, and reduce expenses. Personnel and organizational strategy, helping clients streamline operations, improve team productivity, and develop effective leadership strategies. Sustainability, guiding businesses to develop sustainable practices that not only benefit the environment but also improve their long-term profitability. By aligning your consultancy services with these areas, you demonstrate to potential clients that you can provide tangible, measurable results. The key is to understand your clients' unique challenges and tailor your services to meet those needs while ensuring that your offerings align with the criteria for the subsidy. By doing so, you position yourself as an indispensable resource for businesses looking to grow and thrive. The long-term benefits of using European funds for customer growth. Offering European fund-backed consultations isn't just a quick fix for acquiring new clients. It's a sustainable strategy for long-term growth. Here's how it works. Builds loyalty. Clients who benefit from a money-back guarantee are more likely to stay loyal to your services. They appreciate the value you bring, and they'll return for more advice as their businesses evolve. Opens doors to larger projects. As your clients grow and succeed with your advice, they'll turn to you for more extensive consultations or larger-scale projects, further increasing your revenue stream. Keeps you competitive. In a world where businesses are always looking for cost-effective solutions, offering a subsidy-backed consultation sets you apart from competitors. You become the go-to consultant for cost-conscious businesses looking for professional advice. Seize the opportunity. What you need to do. To capitalize on this opportunity, the first step is to ensure that you meet the criteria to become an eligible consultant for European funds. This involves registering with the appropriate authorities, proving your qualifications, and demonstrating your ability to deliver quality consulting services. Once you've secured your status as a qualified consultant, it's all about marketing your services to clients who can benefit from the funds. The key is to position yourself as a trusted advisor who helps businesses access the financial support they need to grow. So, what do you think? Could this European funds-backed opportunity be the secret to accelerating your customer growth? The potential is enormous, and it's waiting for you to unlock. The chance to offer your clients guaranteed money back on their consulting fees can revolutionize the way you do business. Which part of this game-changing opportunity excites you the most? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more innovative business insights.